Imagine for a moment you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The sun is setting, painting the horizon in hues of orange and pink. It's beautiful, but you're a bit apprehensive. This ocean, much like the financial markets, is full of opportunities and risks, waves of excitement and undercurrents of uncertainty. Just like an experienced sailor knows how to navigate the seas with a map and a compass, a trader needs strategies to successfully navigate the financial markets. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today, trading strategies for beginners. Now, you might be thinking, trading sounds risky, and isn't it just like gambling? That's a common concern, and it's perfectly normal to feel a bit intimidated. But consider this, while both involve taking risks, trading, unlike gambling, is a skill that can be learned and refined with practice and the right mindset. It's like learning to play a musical instrument. At first, it's all about understanding the notes, basic concepts like market trends, risk management, and emotional control. Over time, you start to compose your own music, trading strategies that harmonize with your goals and risk tolerance. Let me tell you a story. My friend Sarah was keen on starting her trading journey. She was enthusiastic but overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information. One day, she stumbled upon the concept of paper trading, a simulated trading environment where you can practice without using real money. Imagine playing a video game where you can learn the rules, make mistakes, and not lose a treasure chest of coins. Sarah started paper trading, and it was a revelation. She began experimenting with different strategies, all without the fear of financial loss. This simple step helped her build confidence and sharpen her skills before she stepped into the real market. Let's break down some beginner-friendly strategies like trend following. This strategy is like surfing. You identify the direction of the market wave, upwards for a bull market or downwards for a bear market, and ride it. You're not trying to predict the movement, rather, you're moving with the flow. This can be as simple as using moving averages, a tool that helps smooth out price data to identify the direction of the trend. But remember, just like the ocean, the markets can change direction unexpectedly, and that's where stop-loss orders come into play. A stop-loss is like a life jacket that protects you by limiting potential losses, allowing you to float even when the tides turn against you. Another strategy is range trading, which is like playing a game of ping pong. You identify levels where the price tends to bounce between support and resistance, much like the ball bouncing back and forth. When the price hits the support level, you buy expecting it to go up, and when it's near resistance, you sell anticipating it will go down. Once again, this requires a keen eye and disciplined approach, because just as in ping pong, the ball can sometimes fly off the table. Now let's talk about scalping. It's a fast-paced strategy similar to picking apples in an orchard. You're in and out of the market, gathering small profits from many trades throughout the day. Like picking only the ripest apples, the aim is to consistently gather small gains that add up over time. Scalping requires intense focus and quick decision-making, so it's essential to stay alert and not get caught up in emotions. Emotions, the heart of trading psychology. Money evokes strong feelings of fear and greed, and mastering these emotions is crucial for trading success. Fear can paralyze you, preventing you from pulling the trigger on a promising trade. Greed, on the other hand, can keep you in a losing trade too long, hoping for a turnaround that never comes. A calm and disciplined mindset is your best ally. Keeping a trading journal can help. By noting down your trades and your thoughts behind them, you can spot patterns in your decision-making process and learn from them. It's important to set realistic goals and manage expectations. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term wealth creation, not overnight riches. Think of it like planting a garden. You sow the seeds, your investments, nurture them with knowledge and patience, and in time, they bloom into a bountiful harvest. Some seasons may be challenging, and not every plant will thrive, but with persistence and care, your garden grows stronger. As we wrap up, I want you to take a moment to reflect. Trading is not just about numbers. It's a journey of self-discovery. It teaches persistence, patience, and the importance of continuous learning. Like any journey, it starts with a single step. Don't rush. Take the time to learn, practice, and build your strategies. Embrace the ups and downs, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Because at the end of the day, the true reward lies not just in the destination, but in the journey itself.